Oke, Assalamualaikum. Benar sekarang Maya?
Waalaikumsalam,
Waalaikumsalam,
Miss.
Miss.
Siap, betul, Miss.
Oke, sip. Ini grup kelima ya? Kelompok satu tapi grup kelima gitu ya, benar ya? Oke,
Betul,
siap.
Miss.
Iya. Oke, so who would like to present the presentation first? Ini sudah direkam?
Hanum,
Aman,
Miss.
aman, Miss.
Oke, siap. Sok, silahkan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. I am Hanum Eliza. Today, I will be discussing domestic waste, water pollution, group 1 section what and where. What? Water pollution is the entry of forage material or substance into the aquatic environment, causing checks in the composition of water that can interfere with the life of organisms in it. Water pollution can occur in rivers, lakes, seas, and the life of organisms, sea, and other water sources. It can also threaten the environment and endanger human health. Water pollution is defined as the release of substances into water from hills. Water pollution is defined as a release of substances into water from beneficial as of water and the natural function of aquatic ecosystem. Beneficial source of water and the natural function aquatic ecosystem. Domestic waste or household waste is waste generated from daily activity, the household. Human waste and other organic waste. Water pollution can be caused by domestic waste that we often encounter daily. Domestic waste, also known as household waste, refers to waste generated within a home from daily activity. Differs, uh, differs. It is important for us domestic waste and prevent water pollution by domestic of waste properly, using eco-friendly detergent and cleaning product, and reducing garbage and waste generated in the households. The effort will help maintain water equality and preserve aquatic ecosystem. Where we found water pollution caused by domestic waste in residential area around Cibelu Hilir, precisely on streets Babakan Haji Imrogang, Wistek, the is and stream that empties into the rivers that's polluted by the domestic waste of local residents. Thank you, Miss.
Oke, thank you Hanum. My question for Hanum is, what is the domestic waste?
What is domestic waste? Baik, Miss. Water pollution is an entry of red material or substance into the aquatic environment. Aquatic checks interpret water in interwith the live in organisms in it. Because water pollution is the
Oke.
iya gitu Miss.
Yeah, I think that's
Benar.
enough, Hanum. Thank you ya.
Terima kasih,
Okay.
Miss.
Yeah. Next one, please.
Baik. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. I am Siti Hoirunisa with name 2306950. Today I will be discussing about why domestic waste can cause flood water. Domestic waste can flood water for several reasons. Firstly, domestic waste contains organic and unorganic substances that are discharged into waterways without adequate treatment. This substance can cause pollution of river water and the environment, as well as potentially harm to human health. Secondly, domestic effluent can increase TBOD, biochemical oxygen and pH level of water, which can cause of harm to human and the environment. Third, untreated domestic effluent can produce toxic gases such as methane, sulfuric acid, and ammonia, which can disrupt water quality and the environment. Therefore, it is important to effectively manage domestic effluent and ensure that they are not discharged in the water without adequate treatment. Domestic effluent, such as laundry detergent water, soapy water, and fecal water, contain organic matter such as food waste and phosphor-containing detergent. Water pollution by domestic waste can disrupt the life of aquatic biota, reduce oxygen level, and reduce biota development. Various number of dead bacteria in this water can hinder the natural water purification process. Water pollution occurs due to several factors, one of which is due to domestic waste. We observe the downstream Cibiru area and their downstream A. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Siti Horonisa. So my question for you is, do you think that we can reduce domestic waste? Do you think that we can reduce domestic waste?
Maaf, Miss.
Ya, gimana? Kedengaran?
Iya, Miss. Eh, bisa diulang, Miss? Maaf.
Yeah. Do you think we can reduce domestic waste?
We can reduce it by practicing cleanliness. Cleanliness.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, next one is?
Intan.
Okay, Intan. Intan Samrotu.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, everybody. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I am Intan Samratul Fuada, and today I am going to talk about domestic wastewater pollution. Did you ever know that the water quality is declining? I'm here to tell you about the water pollution that causes the water quality to decline. Water pollution is a change in condition in a water reservoir, such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater, due to human activities. Water pollution can be caused by domestic waste that we often encounter every day. Domestic waste, also known as household waste, comes from daily human activities or needs. We found water pollution caused by domestic waste in residential areas around Cibiru Hilir, precisely on Street Babakanaj Imron Gangstek. Therefore, the main actors causing water pollution due to domestic waste in residential areas around Cibiru Hilir are residents or people who live in the area. There are several ways to deal with water pollution as follows. Number one, manage household waste in the form of feces carefully. How to overcome water pollution on this one can be done by implementing a planned and hygienic sanitation system so that feces do not directly pollute the water. Number two, educate the public about the impact of water pollution. This awareness will make the community motivated to maintain water cleanliness consistently through simple steps, such as not littering household waste to water sources. Number three, carry out a regular cleaning process of water sources, especially rivers and lakes. One example is the Clean Times program. This effort is not only useful cleaning water sources, but also effective in preventing siltation while reducing the risk of flooding. Number four, using environmentally friendly products such as detergent, fertilizer, and organic pesticides to minimize contamination of toxic substance in water sources. And the last, number five, carry out the process of planting and caring for trees on green land that is still available because the presence of trees can help maintain the continuity of the clean water cycle. The conclusion is water pollution occurs due to several factors, one of which is due to domestic waste. This can be overcome by the methods previously described. Thank you so much for your time, and I'm ready to take any question you may have.
Okay, thank you, Intan, for your presentation. Okay, my question for Intan is, yeah, you mentioned that fish can also help. Fish can also help. Yeah. How can fish help water pollution?
Fish, miss?
Can you hear me? Yeah? You
Kurang
said
jelas,
fish,
miss.
right? Okay. You said fish can help water pollution. Yeah.
Feces.
Yeah, fish. Fish. You said fish can help water pollution. How?
I mean, feces. How can feces? Oh, so how to overcome water pollution on this one can be done by implementing a planned and hygienic sanitation system so that feces do not directly pollute the water because the feces can depollute water because feces that are discharged into waterways without adequate treatment.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. That's all. Ini cuma bertiga ya?
Iya, Miss.
Ya,
Oke,
Miss.
siap. Paket hemat.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke, thank you guys.
Ya, Miss. Thank you. Mohon
Oke.
maaf.
Mohon maaf, Miss.
Iya, nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Thank you girls ya. Sampai ketemu lagi.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye. Yuk, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss.
Oh, oh my God.